Well, hello. I am Sven Olaf Nelson with Pineapple Press and Design. And one of the things I don't talk about much on videos is my design aspects of business. And that's just because it's really weird to show. Like, here's a computer screen. But every so often, there's stuff I work on that is printed and kind of cool to look at. So, one of the things I'm working on right now is a book cover design. And while I can't show you that right now, stay tuned because it will be coming soon and it's pretty awesome. I'm very excited about it. So that's cool. But it did remind me of a couple books I worked on a few years ago. One was Blowing Up the Box by Gary Magenta. And while this is a very poppy, trendy book like black, white, and pink all over, magenta, did I mention that? I wanted to show you some things that I do in this to still get that letterpress feel and still kind of, still use the stuff around me. And this is kind of my design instincts. And that is, if you see this image here, I've got two different images, one color sewn together in a weird way is still kind of picking up that letterpressy vibe because they're old school kind of feel, but still in a very modern usage. Another book I did was the original four-letter word boss, or boss, the original four-letter word, again with Gary Magenta, and this time adding Tracy Fletcher. This book really highlights a lot of my letterpress instincts. And this page in particular, this was in the design concepts of this book. For my layouts, I wanted to show a little bit. And you can see this gray border is pixelated, much like old school print. But even more than that is I took a picture of locked up furniture from a letterpress job that I had done, and just took a picture of it, took that image into Photoshop and did some, manipulations with it and got it to be that posterized pixel feel. And even like I'm blocking out the whiteness and just the way I've laid this out, I'm definitely leaning on my letterpress skills, but very digital. So that's kind of, a little peek into what I've been working on as I've been working on a book. And wouldn't you know it, I had to pull out, type, scan it in, and that is on the cover. So hopefully soon I'll be able to show you that. So check back and stay tuned.